Hi, welcome to the live of Wellness Tattva. So today we have a topic about a medicine called Kabasura Kudineer. Because of the pandemic going around, everybody is very keen to do, and self-care includes a lot of things like social and building up your immunity and respiratory hygiene when you cough or sneeze, taking care of affecting others, like wearing the mask and preventing the droplets to go far. Like that, many things are there which you can add in your self-care. It can be done with medications and also Ayurvedic lifestyle, having a good diet, practicing pranayam, practicing Sudarshan Kriya, practicing meditation. So these are varied aspects of self-care. And why building up immunity is important now? Because this is a pathogen and will have droplets. So if the virus enter the body, there are different phases. So it can immediately express or it will take some time. This depends on your immunity. That is why building up immunity is very important. So how Kabasura Kudineer can help you in building up immunity is because it contains very strong and potent medicines in that. There are several medicines, with some of them which are very familiar to you, like ginger, dried ginger. It is called sunti or chukka. And there is pipali. This is piper longum. And shunti, the ability of shunti in treating viral conditions and treating inflammatory replicating. So, and also it has the ability to reduce inflammation. So like that, it plays a major role in any viral disease and any respiratory disease. And pipali is a rasayana drug. That means it rejuvenates your system and build up immunity. Like pipali, Vardhamana pipali is a very well-known preparation which is given in conditions, chronic conditions where you have to revive the cells and revive the whole body system. And there are medicines called lavanga. Lavanga is clove. You must be familiar with lavanga. Lavanga also inhibits the replication of virus. It has the in vitro studies have shown antiviral activity. And there is a medicine which may not be so familiar with you, Dusparsha, and this has the therapeutic potential in asthma related conditions. We give it in asthma conditions. And then there is neem. Right now I spoke about neem this week only. Neem, it is used in many type of viral conditions like in chickenpox, smallpox, measles, in herpes, and in HIV. Like that, a variety of viral conditions we use neem. And there are powerful ingredients in neem. Flavonoids are there, triterpenes are there. So these are the ingredients which contributes to this antiviral property. Then we have Vilua. Vilua is also Carmelos, and Vilua fruit, bale fruit. So Vilua leaves are also medicinal. Vilua bark is also medicinal. Root is also medicinal. It is in one of the very famous formulation called Dashamula. Dashamula means 10 roots. So Vilua is important here because it is also antiviral, and it will help to inhibit viral replication in early stages of viral infection. And there is in Triphala. And Haritaki also is used in acute respiratory symptoms, especially it acts against influenza. It protects the epithelial cells. Vasha is another very powerful medicine which is used in low diseases, Vasha serve and all. You must have heard about this medicine called Vesicenone. That has anti-viral activity. And leaves of Vasha. Vasha is called Adatoda vesica. This is the botanical name of Vasha. Vasha has antitussive activity also. It removes the phlegm and it also helps in reducing the cough. And Vasha also has this quality of preventing viral attachment and viral replication. So in viral prophylaxis, Vasha is also another important herb. Then we have turmeric, Haridra, which I already talked to you about the anti-inflammatory qualities and antiviral qualities of Haridra. Then we have calm, especially viral fevers. And we also have Bharni and Bhumi Amla, but also in HIV. Viral infection also. So this medicine, Kabasura Kudineer, is a very strong antiviral medication, and also it can be used in respiratory conditions. So you know the relevance of this medicine right now. It is a Siddha preparation, a classical medication. The indications are antiviral and immunomodulatory. That is the indications we are given here. Right now in this condition, it is good. If you want to take it as a preventive one, you can take one tablet morning after your food and one tablet evening after your food. And if you also you want to take it as a preventive medication from the virus, and you are in the group of high risk, in a little higher dose, 2 tablet after food. After 20 minutes you can take it with warm water, and evening 20 minutes after food with warm water. And if you are affected with COVID, then you can take it in a little higher dose. You can take 2 tablets 3 times a day after food. So in that dosage you can take. And like people ask this question, can it be taken safely in pregnancy? Yes, you can take it safely. You follow the dosage according to what I have told. And whether kids can take it, kids can also take it. If they are below 12 years of age, reduce the dose into half. They can take half tablet morning and evening after food. And if you have any other question, please tell us the dosage for the medicine for different age groups. I already told that. And even elderly can take the same dose. Please send the name of. This is one here, and all the herbs I talked about is the ingredients which goes into this medicine. I just thought because about Ayurvedic medication, it's like you see ginger, you think okay, ginger is a food, it's a household item, but these herbs or spices we have done on these herbs. That is what I shared with you. How do we know they have antiviral property? We do in vitro studies, so then we know it has antiviral properties. And also each medicine, recommendations for each medicine, it is the respiratory system. So that and this antiviral property will together act for the current situation. That is the importance of this medicine. If you want to know the medicine name also, we can give you. But what is important is you should know that this is a good medicine to take now. Sometime, see, we have to take out all our tools now. That is the situation. We can do everything which is helpful. We can improve the diet. We can take all the precautions. Other than that, this is what we can do. And if you see the Ayurvedic lifestyle, like Ritucharya and all, Ritucharya is seasonal routine. So there are certain times in the year when the season change. This is called Ritu Santi, and that is the time the viral infections are more. That time these medicines are recommended to take. These medicines in the form of like chukka. This is shunti. There is something called chukku kapi. Like you can put ginger with coffee and drink. You are happy to hear that because coffee is there in that. You can do that. My dilute coffee, you put ginger and drink. Or chukku vellam, you boil ginger and drink. and also in that medicine form, no, with oil. That is the importance of taking with whatever medication you will be contacting the doctor, whoever is that you should take this. Take along with whichever medication and take it in the dose I have to. Pandemic ends, keep on taking this. It will be maybe several. So if you have any questions, you can take. If you have diabetic, you can take it. If you have autoimmune condition, you can take it. When you take, see, maybe you have some condition like maybe a chronic ulcer or something, and you did not ask doctor of our Nadi doctors, or you can take it. If there is any problem, we will guide you further in which way you need to change the way of taking it. So I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for joining, and see you next Wednesday with another wellness tattva.